Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my series, which I've started like a month ago. And I promised to upload frequently, but yeah, life happened. We went on a holiday and yeah, apologize. But here we are with episode 2, and let's continue the conversation where we have left. Now, in this episode, it's all about talking a little bit more about why I haven't been consistent. And look, before, I always thought consistency was just discipline. But postpartum has taught me that consistency is more than just discipline. And it's so different when your brain or you can never really fully switch off. And honestly, I have been inconsistent, but not for the reasons some people might think. Look, here's the thing. Before getting pregnant, consistency to me was very black and white. Like, you want to reach X physique or X results, okay, then in order to reach that, you do this and this and that. You meal prep, you go to the gym consistently, you make sure you have enough sleep to optimize your recovery. You basically have like that full checklist. You like chuck, and just stay on track with everything. And if you just wanted the results badly enough, you just did it. But now there's constantly something running in the background. If it's not my baby, it's just the mental fatigue, the interrupted sleep. Just never really being able to fully switch off and just being, mentally but also physically exhausted. I also realized I was still sort of stuck in that all or nothing mindset. And this is not something I often admit on Instagram or on socials in general. But yeah, I still felt stuck in that particular mindset. So yeah, if I couldn't do like a proper workout, I wouldn't work out at all. But if it wasn't perfect and how I envisioned it, then it's kind of like a waste of time, or I would rather need to start over again next Monday, for example. So if I couldn't do a full workout, it was like, yeah, whatever. Next week better. And I know that this particular mindset simply does not work in this phase of my life anymore. And there were often days where I really had the intention to go all in for my workout and I really, really wanted it, but my energy level said like, no. Like I really didn't have the mental and physical energy capacity to start with it. I oftentimes already felt mentally overstimulated, and I think a lot of women feel guilty about that. It's not that we don't care about ourselves anymore, but it's just that our energy nowadays gets divided in so many directions, and there's just barely anything left for yourself. If you've watched episode 1 of this series, I've talked about, the positive shifts that has happened inside me the day I became a mom, and that I've gone through some internal growth because of motherhood. And so lately I've been trying to redefine what consistency actually means to me. It's definitely not perfection anymore. It's not extreme discipline anymore. For me, consistently nowadays simply means continuing to show up even if it looks different. Consistency used to mean intensity to me. Now it means adaptability to me. And so what I mean with this is that the ability to adapt to a situation, but still continuing to show up and keep that consistency regardless of the situation and your routine. And honestly, guys, what a relief. Like, something that's also helping me getting out of that, black and white, all or nothing mindset is to just simplify things. If something is too complicated, I will just step away from it and just either simplify it or don't do it at all anymore. Because I know if something just feels too complicated, I just won't be consistent with it anymore. So that's why I would rather change things and make it practical than to continue with something that's no longer suiting or, matching with my life at this point. You can see this very broad. So you can see this in your nutrition, in your training, in just your overall daily presence, I would say. So For example, I was always over perfectionist before I became a mom, and without any makeup, I would feel not comfortable, not confident to show up online or on camera, whatever. No, I don't give a fuck anymore. I mean, like, I feel confident, even bare face, minimal makeup, just me, myself, and I. And yeah, it also gives like such a fresh breath of air, and like, so it's just such a relief that things don't need to be perfect in order for you to work. And so when it comes to nutrition, simplifying things, when I don't have the time or the energy to cook, I will just simplify my meals. For example, I will integrate a protein shake instead of like a solid high protein meal, because bottom line, both contain a lot of protein. The protein shake is ready in 2 minutes, and like my cooked high protein meal takes me like 30 to 40 minutes, for example. So, and this can also be like, for example, in the clothing you wear. Like, yeah, before I was dressing up a lot more. Now I would rather choose comfort over trying to look all the time perfect. So, easy clothing. So yeah, if that means that I'm just walking around in comfortable gym clothing all day, that's also fine. And that's actually the key. Sometimes consistency just comes down to removing all the obstacles that makes you fall off track. And so, yeah, just stick to what works for you. And so the reason why I really wanted to speak on this so openly is because I know I'm not the only one. I know that many women struggle with this exact same thing. And usually that's not because they are lazy or they lack discipline, but simply because they don't have a structure that fits their life. I'm gonna be honest, that's exactly the whole point and the reason why I created the Lux Body Project, which is my 12-week one-on-one online coaching program where I coach and guide women for 12 weeks through a full body transformation, not only physical but also mentally, and really help them achieve the best version of themselves through a full-on personalized experience when it comes to nutrition, training, weekly check-ins, biofeedback, supplement guidance, everything. I am sure that will help you get to that next level and really create like a structure you've never had before. If you're truly done with trying programs over and over again and still come to the same conclusion that it doesn't work, or you feel left behind, you miss support, you miss accountability, and you actually need someone that believes in you and that helps you along the way and is not like, oh, hey, here's my program, just buy it and bye-bye, never see you again. No, that's not what we do. No, if you step into the Lux Body Project, I can guarantee you like a full-on coaching experience you've never had before. We will have a full analysis into your life, your goals, your habits, and find the blind spots, and then create a structure that works even on the not so perfect days. And if you think like, oh my God, that's the level of personalization, accountability, and structure I am missing right now in my life, then you can click the link right in my bio. I can't wait for you to join the team and to work together towards your fitness goals. Someone decided to wake up from her nap, and that's actually just right on time because we are at the end of this video. Yeah, creating content and filming is also very different nowadays. But yeah, now that I finally understand why consistency felt so hard for me, the next step is actually figuring out what works for me right now. Yeah, mama. It's mama. And so in episode 3, I will dive a little bit more into my current realistic approach and how I've been integrated strength training again, slowly but surely, and how my routine looks like early postpartum versus now. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Yes! And subscribe to Mama's channel as well if you don't want to miss out on the other episodes of this series and just my content in general. Mwah! you.